Hello friends, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. It's Umakan Patra. A very good afternoon, all of you. So here it's all about part one. Okay, it's all about part one in which I will discuss for the plotting of different graphs, important graphs that we are using in our physics. Okay, so the plotting of a graph is nowadays is important thing. Okay, you can meet any question regarding plotting of graph in any examination and any interview session. Okay, so that's why I thought that the plotting of graph is an important thing. That's why I am making a video on it. So in which in this session I am discussing different function and corresponding graph to that function. Okay, so let's start the session and plot the different graphs for the given function. Okay, so the first question is like that the function is equal to y equal to 1 by x, and the what is the graph for the function y equal to 1 by x. Okay, so as you know, for y equal to 1 by x, for x tends to 0, our function y will tends to infinite. Okay, and for the function x tends to plus or minus infinite, our y will tends to 0. So this the condition under which we will draw our graph. Okay, so the possible graph for this function, the exact graph for this function would be like that. This is our x axis, this is our y axis, and the graph will be like that. The graph will be like this. Okay, so this is the graph for the function y equal to 1 by x. For x tends to 0, our function will be y tends to infinite, and for x tends to plus or minus infinite, the function y should tends to 0. So this is the possible this is the corresponding graph to the function y equal to 1 by x. So I hope you understand the first question. Let's move to the next question. Okay, so the question is like that y equal to 1 by mod x. It's an important question. Okay, y equal to 1 by mod x. First discuss about mod x. As you know, if the function is equal to 1, y equal to mod x. So mod x means what? It means plus x for x tends to x greater than 0, and mod x is equal to minus x for x less than 0. This is the basic definition of mod x. So if you are instructed to plot only mod x, y equal to mod x, let you are told to or you are asked to draw only y equal to mod x. Okay, then what will the graph? The graph will be like this. This is the graph for y equal to mod x. But in this question, the we are instructed to draw y equal to 1 by mod x. So simple. Okay, this is just simple. Y equal to 1 by mod x. What will mean? It means 1 by x for x greater than 0, and minus 1 by x less than 0. So what will the graph? The graph will be like this is our x axis, this is our y axis. Okay, so the graph will be like this. This will be the graph. Okay, this is the graph for y equal to 1 by mod x, and this is the graph for y equal to only mod x. Okay, so move to the next function. Okay, so the next function is one of the interesting function. Okay, the function is like that y equal to 1 by mod x plus 2, y equal to 1 by mod x plus 2. So we are aware of drawing y equal to 1 by mod x only, but the given function is y equal to 1 by mod x plus 2. So what will be happen here? It will just same graph, but the changes is like that. This is x axis, this is y axis. This is the point 1, this is the point 2. Okay, let's draw a horizontal or parallel line along x axis. Okay, this is the line, straight line passing through x y equal to 2. Okay, so the graph will be like, okay, this will the graph for y equal to 1 by mod x plus 2. Okay, this is the graph for y equal to 1 by mod x plus 2. So I hope you understand the question and the graph also. So move to the next function. Okay, the next function is like that y equal to 1 by s square, y equal to 1 by s square. So as you know, y equal to 1 by s square, simple, x tends to 0. For x tends to 0, y will tends to infinite, and for x tends to plus or minus infinite, y will tends to 0. Okay, so the graph will be, this is x axis, this is y axis, so the graph will be like, okay, so this is the graph for y equal to 1 by s square. This is a graph for y equal to 1 by s square, and we are using this condition for plotting of the graph. Okay, so move to the next function and draw the graph. So the function is equal to y equal to 1 by root x. I think you all are aware of this function. Basically we are using it in drawing of Fermi energy and density of state in solid state physics. So it's one of the most important functions. For y equal to root 2x, you all know the simple the graph is like, this is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, so the graph will be like this. Because at x equal to 0, the function y should be 0, and for x tends to infinite, function y should tends to infinite. That's why the graph will be like this. Okay, passing through origin. Okay, so this is the graph for y equal to root x. Okay, so move to the next function and draw the possible graph for the given function. Okay, this is important and interesting question. So the given function is equal to y equal to mod x plus x. So use the general definition of mod x. For x greater than 0, what is the meaning of mod x? Is plus x. So it is plus x plus x, that means is equal to 2x for x greater than 0. Okay, what will for x less than 0? We know for x less than 0, mod x become minus x, that means minus x plus x, that means equal to 0. So in general we are getting the function as y equal to 2x for x greater than 0, and y is equal to 0 for x less than 0. Okay, so the possible graph for the given function is like, this is our y axis, this is our x axis, so the graph will be like that. Let's see, for x less than 0, that means for this axis exactly in negative y axis, x less than 0, the function is 0, that means this line that is exactly y axis, negative y axis. And for x greater than 0, the function is equal to 2x, that means a straight line passing through origin with a slope of 2. So this is for this single line. Okay, this is just a single line, so the graph will be like this for the function y is equal to mod x plus x. So in this session we are discussing the top important some graph, and draw the graph for the given function. So in the incoming part or lecture series, I will discuss the different graph for the trigonometry function and polynomials. Okay, so stay tuned, keep supporting, like my channel video, share my video, and subscribe my channel, so that I can make a large number of contribution for your betterment. So thank you so much.